So as you can see, I got the Sharp 10500 BTU taken apart again, and that is because that oil, which was basically like a zoom spout that I put in there, didn't really help much. So I got some of this Lucas oil stabilizer. The stuff is really thick, and I've used this before on these window air conditioner motors, and it quieted them down nicely. So I'm going to dump some of it down in there into the bearing, and hopefully this makes a difference. I'm sure it will, but yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. Like I said, I've used it before and it worked really well. It is worth noting that this is a ball bearing motor, so putting this in the front bearing, which is open, will definitely help. The rear ball bearing is sealed, so it's not going to matter if you put it on there or not. But on these motors, the front ones that are facing towards the inside of the unit are open, so you can get oil in there and quiet it down. So I got plenty of oil in there. It's still soaking in. It's already running quieter. I'll start it up on fan only real quick so you can hear it. Obviously I don't want to start the compressor when it's laying on its back. Much quieter. Alright, it's mostly put back together. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, I thought it unplugged. Hang on. Alright, here we go. Yeah, the inside bearing is quieter now, but that outside one is making a lot of noise. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I did try putting some oil in the shaft, but I don't think it really helped. So there's some junk in here that needs to go. It's rubbing against the fan. But anyway, yeah, I got it quieted down on the inside anyway, and that's what my goal was for today. So, yep, thanks for watching. Actually, before I go, I'm going to start the compressor.